Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a temporary tattoo last longer. These will be easy steps, and I'll be covering these easy steps in this very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to make a temporary tattoo just like this one right here on my beastly forearm last longer, this is the video for you. There are 4 things that you can do, and if you use all 4 of these in conjunction with each other, you're gonna have the best possible results, and it's gonna last the longest possible time. Let's get right into this. Number 1 is to put the tattoo on an area of skin that doesn't bend or stretch much. So if you place the tattoo on an area of skin that doesn't bend or stretch that much, you're gonna have the best results. Also, if it has as little hair as possible, you're gonna have the best possible results. Those are both number 1, the tattoo placement. On an area of skin that doesn't bend or stretch and has very little hair or no hair at all, if you shave it first or whatever, you get rid of the hair first, you'll be good to go. That's gonna give you the best possible results, okay? With regards to the length of time that it lasts. Number 2, the second step is to avoid clothing rubbing against the tattoo. The moment that your piece of clothing rubs against a temporary tattoo, it's going to start to flake off, okay? Now, obviously, it depends on the quality of the tattoo. Some tattoos are a little bit better, some tattoos are a little bit worse, so the better the tattoos will last a bit longer rubbing against the clothing. However, it's going to start to flake off. Sorry, I have something's tickling my nose. Sorry, I know you probably heard me breathing like that before, so there we go. I think we're good. I'm going to blow my nose after this. Anyways, so avoid clothing rubbing against a temporary tattoo. Number 3, the third step and tip is to avoid washing the specific tattoo area. Obviously, you got to bathe, you got to shower, you got to wash yourself. So, wash all of this around here, but don't wash over the tattoo. Avoid washing the tattoo area. It's going to help it last longer. And lastly, but not leastly, number 4, the 4th step and the 4th tip for making a temporary tattoo last longer is to spray with some hairspray. Now, when you spray with hairspray, it's going to give it almost like a protective seal over it, and it will last as long as the hairspray will last before you wash off the hairspray. When you wash off the hairspray, the seal is going to be gone, but it'll make it last longer. Some people will say put, clear nail polish over it and stuff, but honestly, the best thing you can do is just spray some hairspray. Like literally, obviously I don't use hairspray, but if you have some hairspray lying around, or if your wife or your mom or your husband or your cousin has some hairspray lying around, just spray with a little bit of hairspray. It's going to last much longer. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.